We got the whole seasoning powder, and we got curry powder, and we got turmeric, black pepper, mandi spice, garam masala, 1 lemon. We're gonna use the skin as well, half of this ginger, and we have 3 cloves of garlic. We got 1 whole onion, and we got fresh dill, and we got fresh coriander. We got 1 teaspoon of mint and 1 tablespoon of tomato puree. We already cut the onion to 4, and we remove the seeds all from the lemon. Our garlic as well, ginger, bean skin. Now we got our herbs. Now we're gonna add our mint sauce and the tomato puree. And our spices as well. And this is how it's supposed to look. It's not a paste, it's just shredded, so we can get the most of the flavor of it. Now we're gonna remove all this excess veins, this one as well, because they all stop the process of cooking. Now we're gonna start to make small holes. This is where we're gonna put some of our marinations inside. It's a bit deep, as you see, it's this deep. You can see how deep, so you keep it that way, both sides. So to make sure is you just put your finger to the desired deep, how deep you want it. Now we kind of put some of our marinations aside. In this case, you're gonna feel the flavors all over the meat once it's cooked. With the mix. with the mixture we make. Make sure is the type of take heat. We kind of add what's left over there, because now we're gonna leave it 4 to 6 hours. And if you want to make it for lunch, so you make it overnight, that's gonna be nicer. Longer is better, so don't be worried about the time. We cover it and keep it in the fridge.